Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to face Instagram voice message problem. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily face this problem, so I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root your device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to just open your App Store, your Play Store. Now search for your Instagram and make sure your Instagram is updated to the latest version. So you need to update your Instagram to the latest version, and once you are done, open your phone settings, and once you open your phone settings, scroll to where you can see apps and notifications. Now just click on your apps over here and look for Instagram. Now once you click on Instagram, just click on permissions, and once you click on permissions, scroll to where you can see microphone. You need to make sure you allow microphone over here, so you can see allow whilst using this app, and you can see don't allow. You need to make sure it is on allow, so click on allow, and once you are done, just go back and then click on storage and cache. Now clear cache over here, and also clear storage of your Instagram, and by doing this your problem would be fixed. You can also report this problem to the Instagram team, and then writing to them your problem, and it will be fixed successfully. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more.